got these all new chocolates from Amazon, and we actually had them one other time, so they were so good they disappeared in like 5 minutes. So we're gonna make a video on them today.
The big boy ate them all.
I love those. I love those.
You want some of me?
Julie, do you want chocolate?
I love those.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
Hey.
how I wonder what you are.
Julie, do you want chocolates?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have chocolates.
So yeah, we did order these and they went fast. They're really good. So we'll put the product link down below if you want to get your very own. If you got 20 bucks to spend, because they're about 20 bucks. When the prices do change. But these are amazing. So you're gonna watch us eat some today.
I
That's
like
what you're gonna do.
What will we do?
We're gonna eat chocolate.
All right.
I love
Are we making
those.
too much noise?
No.
I love those.
You love those,
I
huh?
want the chocolate ball.
What happened to your face?
I don't know.
You got a scratch.
You wanna eat chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, Julie wants chocolate. You
I
want chocolate too?
want to eat chocolate.
Here, I'm gonna bring it a little closer so you can see. Hold on.
I like to play. What will we do?
So that's these right here. And check this out.
Let's play a game.
Julie just wants to play games.
Yeah.
We want to eat some chocolate. Asmar chocolate eating. All right, so check this out, man.
I like to
Whoa,
play.
whoa, whoa.
What will we do?
Look how nice it comes. And then look at these bonbons and I
Yeah.
don't want them to fall out, but let me see. Look at these, folks.
They're incredible.
There's some chocolates.
What will we do?
And you're going to watch us eat them. All right, go over there. I'm going over there. If you're not over there, you ain't getting there.
Yeah.
You want chocolate, Julie?
Caleb, you want some?
I like
I'm
to
going to get
play.
some.
What will we do?
All right, so I'm going with this one because I didn't get this last time. So we have a chocolate ball
I
right
love
here.
these chocolate balls with the sugar on them.
I like to
They're
play.
just amazing.
What do
These
we
little
do?
balls, and you get 6 of them in there.
Mm,
But they are
yeah.
so delicious.
Delicious.
Oh, did you hear
Oh,
that?
that boy.
Mmm.
Want some?
Yeah.
Julie, shut up. What are you eating?
I like to play.
What were you
What
eating?
will you
They're so good.
do? Yeah.
Watch how fast they disappear.
I like to play. What will we do?
Mmm. This is like heaven. It's like a vanilla white chocolate ball with sugar on the
I
outside.
forgot to tell you something.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Heaven.
I
Go.
want to play pretend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Julie, I bet you could eat, you wish you could eat these.
I like to play. What will we do?
Eat some chocolate.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
And these have pistachio nuts inside of them.
I
Amazing.
love music
Mm-hmm.
and I love
These are my
dance.
favorite. Hello.
Yeah.
You gonna come and get some chocolate?
I like to play. What will we do?
All right. Show her out. Let's see who beat.
We're gonna eat
Yeah.
hungry.
Oh.
Julie, are you hungry?
I like to play. What will we do?
And these macadamia nuts or almonds, I'm not really sure, but they're like pearl glazed with chocolate. Amazing. That's obviously why Harper got a hold of these real fast. Oh yeah, pistachio.
And these other balls, they're like cherry
Cherry balls.
flavored with cherry sugar on top, and they're just amazing. They're my favorite part of the whole thing. Oh, and then we have the dragon berries too.
They got stuck. Mm.
I mean, it is. I'll show you a picture. Look at it up close. It's like so good.
Oh, these are amazing. Let me show
You
you
like
up
chocolate with cherry?
close.
Mmm.
Uh-huh. You see that? Watch when I bite it. Mmm. Mmm. Heaven. Oh, come on, man. Hello. Mm. Come on. so windy today
These.
and cold, so I'm gonna bring this video. What you eat already, fool? Well, I didn't try one of those purple ones, have I?
Yeah, you have one.
Last time I don't think I did. Y'all ate one.
Look at that
Oh,
box.
I didn't have one either.
Look, I.
Mmm. Hello, can we get one?
Oh, those look good. Like they got coffee inside. I never had one of those before.
Yeah, I got one now.
Mm-hmm. I want all of it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Comes the time. Beast boy ate so much chocolate he fell asleep over here.
Mm-hmm.
It's a trick. Eat this.
Oh, it's a trick. Oh no, he looks so cute. He's a little chocolate dude.
Mm. Mm. Are they good?
Creamy.
Ooh.
Kind of like those lints, whatever. They got that extreme
The
smooth
Truffles?
chocolate.
Mm.
And then there's these dried raspberries or dried cranberries. Something. And candy coating. Really good too.
I think they're called dragonberries.
Dragonberries. Watch. I'll open up some dragonberries. This one has some big ones in it. Wow.
Wow.
Let me show them a dragonberry. You see, these are the dragonberries. And you can see right in the top. It's like a raisin, but raspberry maybe. I don't know. They're good though. Pomegranate. Alright, don't miss the camera. Little fingers. Whose ball was this?
I don't know who got that one.
It was laughing, so something happened to it.
What happened to it?
Alright, so I'm gonna try this or do you want? You go?
I already have one. Unless Caleb wants it. What was that?
Oh, that's right. Maybe I should be wired for the rest of the day.
This died, he farted. Oh, babe. Oh! Gross! Well, I guess you get the box of chocolates for yourself because you farted and scared away everyone away.
If there's a tactic, I'm taking it. Okay, baby, get out of the camera. Nobody wants to see all that.
99.
Okay, well, you need to come back over here.
100.
Come back over here.
Yep.
Clear out the room.
Very much.
A big one.
Open the window a little bit.
Oh my god! Man, you got this on the toilet.
Don't be so dramatic. Not that much because we're going to blow everything into the sink. Drama.
Stinks. I guess it doesn't bother Harper too much.
They exaggerate.
Yeah, you made the whole kitchen stink.
Oh, whatever. It happens. It's natural. It's part of being human. Don't act like you don't fart. She farts worse than it.
Farts.
Yeah, you fart like a dude.
No, you do.
Because I am a dude.
Yeah, that's enough for me. I ate way too much chocolate.
Okay, well, thanks for
You gotta
watching.
throw Forrest Gump's line in there.
What?
Do the Forrest Gump line.
You? Good
You.
deal. Yeah, you're telling, not
Because you're
mine.
eating. So my mom always said life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
That's my fart. That's what you might get.
Say it.
Okay, just look at me.
Hmm?
You didn't close out the video. Mama said life like a box of chocolate. You never know what kind of wife you're gonna get.
You never know what kind of husband you're gonna get. Stink ass.
Damn good husband.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this chocolate video, and I really, really recommend these. They are so good. If you're a chocolate lover, you will definitely love them. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.
Peace.